It's rubbing. Here. Final wheel swipe that other Ford Bronco. I'm going to leave those wheels on like that, but she's not staying that color, so I just want to show people. The other one I had, I gave to a friend. Well, I hope it's a friend. Sometimes I do things for people and they start being not cool, and I'll fulfill my word, and then I have a tendency to leave them after that, because I'm not a person who likes to use people. I pay back when I can, give back when I can. And if my family didn't write me off that settlement, I probably wouldn't be in the circumstances I am now.